Hey girl, it's Sharlrita, and today I want to share something that has been sitting on my heart for a while now, and why I am building a faceless brand in my 40s. And this is not from a place of hiding, right? Because I already showed my face. Not even a place of fear, but from a place of wisdom, peace, and alignment. So if you are new to me, or maybe you've been here before, I've been online since 2014. I've shown my face, my work, my life, my family, and I'm so grateful for every part of my journey. Stepping into my 40s shifted something for me. Like I really started wanting to build income that didn't require me to always be on, like always being present, always being visible. I wanted income that could actually make money while I'm doing life. In this year, 2025, I finally gave myself permission to do all of that, to really do what God has put in my hands to do. And one of those things that He put in my hands to do is to build a faceless brand. So I'm super excited to even share it here, my journey here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you liking, you're subscribing, hype your girl up. Make sure you're here. Stay tuned because I'm going to be really sharing my journey with you. So there's something about being in your 40s that makes you see life differently. Tell me if I'm right or wrong, right? Like it's like you're more clearer, you're more calmer, you understand what matters and what really doesn't, okay? So for me, I always wanted peace, freedom, income that respects my real life, and work that allows me to take care of my home, my kids, my husband, and myself, of course. I build brands, I build communities, I publish books, I've launched memberships, I've done the content, the lives, and showing up. But I started to ask myself like a simple question. How can I make money even on the days I need to pull back and rest? And that's where this faceless brand is going to come in there for me. I am not at all new to faceless content, but I wanted to do it the right way this time. I wanted structure, strategy, and just a real path to follow. So I decided to invest in CFW, called Create Faceless Wealth. Now I have been eyeing it for a long time. I've been watching, observing, praying about it. And when the moment was right, I just jumped in. Like I was like, let's go. Because I'm in a season where I don't want to guess. I just want guidance. I want leadership and a system that's already working. So I'm not out here trying to create anything from scratch. If you know it, you're good at it, I'm in. I really love the spirit and the creator of this program. It has been really, really good. I love it. This is not, it's not about going viral, not about, posting something that hits. It's actual strategy. Plus, she loves God too. And the best part is not just the learning part. This is actually a learn and earn opportunity too. So I get to build my brand, grow my skill set, and I get paid as an affiliate for sharing it too. So the combination made sense for me. Building a soft life business, it just made sense. I love sharing what I am doing and helping other women too, and sharing as a resource. So I love that part, that I get to be an affiliate. I get to share it. I get to make money. So that part was a goal for me. It was so much so that it was a goal for me. That's one of the first things I did. Set up my system really, really fast. I went through the videos in like a couple hours. I think I was doing a lot of it in my car. In the car while I was riding, passenger princess side. So I was riding and I was doing all of those things. And I set it up, and of course I made my first sale like less than 24 hours. So when I say, I just started sharing with other women in my email list, in my community, and those that wanted to hop on too decided and say yes. So again, this can be another stream of income that can be very easily that you can, incorporate it with your brand. Let me tell you what I love about this path, right? I really love that I can create content without being camera ready or even using tools that I already have, faceless videos that I already have at my disposal. So when I want to have a day, I don't want to create, I don't want to be, in front of the camera. Like, I can easily, post my content, and of course allowing that content to lead to whatever my offers will be. And I haven't got that far yet, but again, that's the gist of it and what I really love about it. I also love that it runs even when I'm offline, like cooking dinner, homeschooling, traveling, taking time off. The brand keeps moving, right? And of course, I love it because it fits my lifestyle as a wife and a homeschool mom. Like, I don't have to pause life to go and create. I can create inside my life. So yeah, this is so good for me. And then, if you know me, I love legacy. Like, this is income my kids can run. Like, I'm even going to get my daughters to look at this too for their own, so they can create their own faceless brands too. So it's like, yeah, and then that way they don't have to be online showing their face. They don't have to do any of that. So this gets to be a way for not just me making income, but my girls too. So I noticed that here lately in my 40s, I just turned 43 in September, that I really do crave simplicity. I'm far from lazy. Um, I just want simple things. I want to be able to create simple income from home. So like when you're younger, you okay with the hustling and you don't mind doing everything, being everywhere. But after 40, you do want a little bit more structure. We want to take advantage of systems that make sense. And of course, we want income, right? We want to make a lot of money. And in my soft life era, that includes in my business too. Okay. I want everything to be in alignment with who I am. Okay. And even the woman that I am becoming. Now, here's why I chose CFW, because it really does teach what I believe in: systems, strategy, repeatable content, even niche clarity, real examples. There's a bunch of women in here really succeeded, and it's so confident. I love to see it. And honestly, the community alone sold me. Like, women building quietly, women building with peace, women building digital income without showing their face, women doing it their own way. And I really love that I can earn while I learn. That part still blows my mind. It really is truly a soft life business model. Here's what I'm building. Okay. Consistent soft income, a faceless account that feels fun, is creative. Also a brand that can pay me even while I'm resting. Of course, I love digital assets that make me money 24/7, and a new income stream that adds to everything else that I do. A simple path that's going to push me into more passive incomes even in my 50s. So I'm building quietly with intention. Of course, I'm going to show here on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to implement the strategies. This is really long term for me. Of course, it's a slow build, but it's also something that I'm going to enjoy doing. And of course, again, I'm going to take you along with me. So if you're in your 40s or maybe you're close to it, I want you to hear me out. You do not have to start from scratch. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to keep doing business the hard way. There are options. Okay. There are a lot of options. There are systems. There are products already built. There are ways to make money online without being visible 24/7. And this path does let you, it lets you be creative, without performing. You can be present with your family. You can keep your privacy. You can still, build wealth. You can still show up for your own goals. So this is just something different, something that I'm diving into. And I hope that if it's something that you want to do too, of course, I have the link in my description, but I'm going to be documenting the whole journey, right? Every strategy that I use, every lesson I learn, what's working for me, what doesn't, the ideas that I'm testing, the income streams that I'm adding. I want you to see it unfold in real time, because if I can do this in my 40s, while homeschooling, running a household, running multiple businesses, trust me, you can too. So that's why I'm building a faceless brand right now. This is really going to be fun. This is going to be something I look forward to doing. Of course, building income that supports my life. And I hope that, if it resonates with you, please stay close. I'm about to show you everything that I'm doing, like what I'm doing, how I'm building it, what's working for me as a woman in her 40s. They have other stuff going on. And I really love this path. So again, if you want to learn more, you're interested in building your own faceless brand, I have everything in the description for you to find out. And yeah, I look forward to maybe seeing you in the community as well. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. But this is a great thing to do, especially if you are like, you have no desire to show your face, but you still want to make money. This is the path to take. Okay. So I look forward to sharing with you. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay. I'll see you in the next video, girl, and I'll make sure that I keep you updated. Okay. Bye.